far I've built a lower part, which is the freezer. So if I just take this, this is Lego's Studio. By the way, it's quite good. So I first started using it for models. Because I wanted to like get an idea of what my models would look like. So yeah, I've just got a bunch of meat, milk, horse. Yeah, I've put chicken and put sausages there. Yeah, and now I'm just making the top floor, the upper shelf. Yeah. So let's see. I've done it in layers. So like for example, bottom layer bricks, plates, bricks, plates. And it goes like that. Just wondering. Okay, let me grab a plate. So we need 1/6. So yeah, 1/6 there. Oh, these do exist. Oh, 1/5, okay, great. So that means. Oh, wait, what? What have I done here? Oh, wait. Oh, okay, so it's just 1/5 bricks don't exist. Okay. Alright, that's not too much of a problem. So what I instead need to do. Sorry if I'm breathing heavily. Need to grab these. This way it makes the structure more secure. Do I intend to build this in real life? Probably not. I feel I've got stomachache right now. Gosh. My coffee's still cold from the fridge. So I would drink it right now, but then I've got a cold, a really bad one. Obviously, I don't sound like I've got a cold right now, but 3 days ago I wasn't feeling that much better. Right, so this is how we handle the situation. So I'm going to be actually. I'll just stick to the technique we used earlier. 1/2 here, 1/3 here, 1/2 here. If you're wondering why I said wrong one, it's because this one here does not have any pins, whereas this one here does have a pin. The ones without pins, they are more loose. So yeah, that's why I want to use the ones with pins. Then let's just turn this grey. I feel like I've made the top shelf a little too. What's the word? Big. Should be fine. yeah, you probably heard how bad it was. Right. So I'm leaving the front hollow because what I want to do is once I'm done with the shelves, I can make a door. Right, I need a plate. 6x6, grey, and then we'll just basically do the same thing we did here. Clone. Oh, what am I doing? Clone. Yeah, stop saying that because it's probably getting annoying. I'll just use this minifigure for reference. I don't know why it's like that though. Usually it's got like it's one complete whole. I've never seen one. Actually, I think I have, but it's only been like off-brand Lego. Right. Ooh, where have you been my whole life? Okay, that saved us a ton of time. So we just put 1/3 here. Where is it? Bricks. Oh yeah, just one of the best features about this thing. Then we have to do this stupid thing. I don't know why they've never made a 1/5. Doesn't make sense. Still misleading, so click on the corner and then it's like one whole square. Audio might sound a little weird, but that's just because I'm wearing my headphones rather than headphones all around my head because I need to hear what's going on. Yeah, so that it's actually starting to look more like a fridge now, so that's good. We can now close this off. So what I need to do. Now I want to know how I want to do this. So if we grab a plate, where are the plates? Oh, there they are. And we put 6x6 here. We then top that off with not just a 6x6 tile, but rather smaller 6x6 tiles. 2x6s. And you know what? There's added some little antennas. I know TVs, fridges don't have antennas, but. Wait, what's it? Oh, I don't know what's called on it. Let me try to go to the brick round and see if it's something. Damn, it's not. It's like, titles. That's not all we need. Or maybe it's all we need. It could be here. It's Belfield. Who's this? Fabuland. Don't know what these are, but anyways. Let's try minifig accessories. Actually, I could have sworn I saw it in one of my. I used it in one of my other builds. I have a feeling I did. I have to look very carefully. It's not here. Maybe I'll just pass that a bit. Building fig. Oh wait, that's biological. Try search. Oh wait, I just saw. There it is. Now if we do what else? Hinge. I just don't know what I did there. How the hell do I? It's a bit weird. Unless maybe I need a different model. What's this even? Oh shit. Did I just do that? Okay. I don't know why I just did that. I'm still quite new to this, so I don't even know what I'm doing. So I could move it when everything was invisible, but now I can't. Okay, let's try this one. Nope. This one? Still no. What is this annoying? If I try to move. Nope. Hinge again? Oh wait, I think it's the hinge. Nope. Oh crap. Now can I just delete all these? Well, that's annoying. You can't put those on there, so I just have to stick to these boring flat tiles. Need some water. It's almost about to get strangled by my headphones. Do love a bit of good water. So yeah, now that's the top. That's fridge done. Almost. We just need to put hinges on them. So what we're basically going to do is remove these. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab 1x4s. Then put 1x1s at the end. Hang on, simple way of doing this. Grey, clone, and yeah. That's peak laziness, chat. That's peak laziness. I kind of think that helps. I can break modified. Entirely modified. I need a. Yeah, there we go. Right, so we need this. And I'm just thinking of how I want to do this. Late modified. I'm going to try and look through some different possible ways. Because whenever I've tried to create a flap, it's always looked terrible. Or I might just bumped into a problem here. Hang on. Can I connect these two together? I can, and it just looks weird. Oh right, yeah, I forgot about that. You have to... What these are for? Let's look at some examples. See, some smart people went for an easy approach. Oh, this guy's never made a hinge. I'm not just gonna watch the tutorial. Sorry. What even is this? Who are you? Anyway, so again, that's kind of cool. Not gonna lie, that's kind of cool. Like his fridge. Like, who's this guy? Okay, I have a feeling if I just keep going, I'm gonna get lost in the sauce. Gosh. Okay, I'll just try hard. Is this even Lego? It is Lego. And then what are these? Anyways, that's not the point. Google's really... Actually, that could work. So what was the problem find? So, it was... nothing. Yeah, let's try, like, using my model first and then see if anything goes wrong with that. So if I just hinge this, because I've got, like, move it. I don't know. I don't think any of you would understand what I'm talking about right now, but it'll make sense in a sec. So I just move this. Okay, so... play. And... I just want to see how tall this gets. So it's like 12. Oh, that's like... oh, I hate this, it's so finicky. Where are you? Cologne. And... see if this works. The first is all grey. And... yeah, this is what annoys me, it's like the hinges. No, that was too small. So the question if I should just leave this hinge out, and you know I will. Because I cannot be asked to keep it there. It's just interfering with the whole operation. I've got a stomach ache doing the layers. Probably from my illness. Saying like I'm dying. Don't know what that was. Oh, I cloned it, oh gosh. Well, unless maybe my problem is that I replace this with like a tile version of it. Where does this keep coming from? Get away! Yeah, so clone this, delete that, and play modified, where are you? There you go. So, RTT versions. What's the difference? I don't know what's the difference. I guess my feature looks like that. But you look more stronger, so I'm just gonna have to use you. Right. 1 sec. Okay, so it's recording, isn't it? Yep, okay. So let's just say 1 by 3 here. Another there. I don't know what I'm just tired now. Oh, I realised something. Surely there's got to be like a better alternative. Oh, why have I just done? Anyways, it's all about trial and error. That's what it is, trial and error. I don't know if you guys can even hear me right now. 1 by 2 here, and then we'll just clone this. I've cried out. This lift is... what the hell? No, but I want it to be fun though. I'm really hitching, so I need to... this lift is up off the ground, but I don't want that to happen. I want it to be on the... okay, there we go. It's on the ground. Okay, so back to the actual hinge. And that's pretty solid, I think. Why is it turned out like that now? Oh, I did it. More or less. Change it. I changed the date to something shorter. So I went for 6 by 8. What if you go for 6 by 8? Wait, what am I talking about? I need a shorter scale. Wait, what did I go for? Oh, did I just forget? I went for 6 by 10. Now I'm going to go for 6 by 8. Okay, so I'm just put this aside. Okay, or I could do, make my own custom fridge door, if that makes sense. I don't need to play, I can just make my own plates using plates. I'm just off it. many search schools is going to be though? It's going to be a little hard to. So this was a 6 by 10. We want around a 6 by 9. Okay, that should be easy. So let's write my math had to come in. 2 by 6, so that's 4 by 2. That should be easier if I just do it by 1 by 6s. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then to secure this, we need tiles. Two by 6. That's not long enough. You know, I just realised it's not going to be thick enough to cover everything. Unless I'm genius, because what we can do, we can place 1 by 8 here, and then we still got this at the end, right? We can just do 2 by 6s here, another 2 by 6 here, and 1 by 2 here, and then we just got these 3 to account for, which is easy. I'm a genius. Like, do not chat to me. I'm a genius. I'm an absolute genius. Well, this is a live stream, if you're not gonna lie. And it doesn't even fit. Wait, so what's wrong with this 6 by 8 one? What was 6 by 10? What's 6 by 10? I don't know, it doesn't even cover the whole fridge. Why is it? Yeah, what the hell? Oh crap, my fridge. First put this aside for it. So then, I have terrible memory. What was wrong with this one? So let's make this grey. And let's hinge this. Oh, well. Actually, that's a fixable problem, you know. I'm just wondering, how short do we need it? We could go for a 4 by 8, or a 4 by 10. Let's see. What am I doing? Oh. Let's move this here. What if I just... Oh, what? I keep doing this to myself. I keep doing this to myself. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Snoke. And... What is... Oh, it's tweaking. There we go. Nice. Just put that there. I'm kind of going to make this even, so it doesn't like fall down one side. Need a little bit. This piece of hair on the microphone stick to me. Yeah, that's my bit. What are you doing? Because I can't last to do all that again. There we go. Great. Great. Nice. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, I forgot about that side. I think that can be fixed with a 1 by 6. If it even fit. Okay. See, now realistically, if this was in an Asian family, all the ice cream clubs would be full of curry. You won't find any actual ice cream there. No. You'd find boxes and boxes of curry, or what we call it, sun. Oh, it works. No, let this be a homage to, if that's how it's even pronounced, to like my waffle. How I thought I was smart, just waffled. So yeah, just need to make this not so study though. Put some fridge magnets on here. Okay, that's fine. Yep, right. Let's... Why is it? Oh, there we go. 2 by 4. Grey cologne. There we go. I just completely forgot about the handle. There's no handle on this. I'll deal with that later. For now. What do you mean this doesn't exist? Okay, Okay, flipping green. Okay, that doesn't exist either. Lime, that doesn't exist. Medium green, that doesn't exist. Let's go to pinks, dark red, that doesn't exist. Light purple. Blue violet, that doesn't exist. Sand, oh, I'm trying to something more. Stupid flipping thing. That's just an anomaly though. She looks like a robot. Oh, I forgot to colour you in. So this fridge literally has no plugs, but that doesn't matter. What does matter is that we now have a fridge with no handle because you open it from the side, just like my fridge. Actually, never mind. Actually, how could we implement a fridge? I mean, a handle. A handle. Seems like a good way. Actually, never mind. Never mind. Much better. Delete. Delete. Go to play modified. I mean, time modified. Now again, there's these three, but then I'm just gonna go for this. Not too stiff, not. What's this one about? Oh, what? Use this. Oh wait, I think I know what's going on. Oh, because this I can doesn't want compute all my stuff. Sharpen. Anyways. Because I think this little thing at the bottom is interfering. So I think what we can do is like we leave this part studded and then like we do that. I mean, it's gonna look uneven, but here's what it is. Make this grey, make that grey. Didn't need you. And right. There we go. I thought it was the same colour for a sec, because I like the lighting. And there we go. That's the fridge. We still got all the stuff inside over there. Hinge. No hinge this. Early access to stuff at the bottom, veto. That's the point of it. That's why it's called frozen. Plum. Might just find fruit here. Maybe not. Anything accessories. Let's move in here. I don't know who's putting coffee in the fridge unless I want those. Oh, you're right. You're right. Where did I find all those food items earlier? Was it? Here. Object. No. I wanted to flex. Oh, there we go. Cousin. What's the difference? Oh, probably one with a hole and one without a hole. Okay. Oh yeah, I think we should just get one without the stud. Just nice and brown. A peach. Just an egg. Can I just drop a red apple, but it should not look like that. Anyways. I think we can get rid of you now. And you. That's a sad fridge right there. One sad fridge. It's like, oh, none of you have done some reference. No. Well, that's the fridge done. I think we should save this, get rid of this. Get rid of this. But yeah, that's the fridge. I'm wondering if I could maybe put the tile again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Well, where's the 1x5? Oh, I can. Okay, good. Doesn't look so out of place now, does it? We turn this to green fridge magnet. There we go. And yeah. So there's this nice thing on this app where you can render an image. And you can use either your CPU or your GPU. Now my CPU is better than the last one, but then it still generates slowly. And I don't know if that just applies to every single CPU, but the GPU is much faster. So if I just go to render, as you can see I'm using it to GPU. And so I can check where the light is going to be hitting. I don't know why I had this on in the first place. Position. Right front. And I'll just realize. You can see the chicken at the bottom, so where's the lighting? It's hitting at an angle. I'm now tempted to build this. 5 lights and I'll build it. 5 lights and I'll build the chair. Let's do from the left. And oh, kind of loud. And okay, just everything. Stuff like this. Yeah, it takes. It must still take a while to generate it. It's still not fast in CPU. Computers, so you come down. Easy, something.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
There we go. And that's the fridge. Like I said, 5 likes and I'll try build in real life. But thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video.
Light, and it looks just like a stoplight. Green is good, yellow means it's getting too noisy, and when it hits red...